Hello, my name is Dan, and welcome to the Phonics series produced by Serpents English, where learning is fun. Today we're going to look at the voiced and unvoiced consonant sounds. Unvoiced sounds are also called voiceless sounds. At any time during this video, please listen. Feel free to pause, repeat, and learn, and continue the video. The way we learn the difference between voiced and unvoiced or voiceless consonants, you can take two fingers and put it on the side of your throat. You can say the sounds and feel and hear the vibration. So let's begin. B, ball. D, dog. G, go. J, jam. L, love. M, min. R, room. V, van. W, was. Y, yellow. Th, the. Or some people say the or the. You can still feel and hear the vibration. So for voiced consonants, you can hear and feel the vibration in your throat. For voiceless or unvoiced consonants, you don't hear or feel that. For instance, place your fingers back on your throat and you can say sh, shoo. You don't feel the vibration with sh, and you don't feel the vibration with ch. They're voiceless or unvoiced. So let's practice the voiceless or unvoiced consonants. Are you ready? Sh, shoe. Ch, cheek. P, pillow. K, key. F, fork. S, sun. F, thanks. When we say thanks, we want to thank you for watching this reel today and would encourage you to like and subscribe for more learning and more phonics lessons. Sponsored by Serpents English, where learning is fun. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next reel.